Welcome to Plan and Practice Hindi channel. Today we will see Pratmik Rachna lesson 3 present continuous tense Apurna Vartaman Kal in Hindi. We'll go to the lesson now. Lesson 3 present tense present continuous tense Apurna Vartaman Kal. First one, राम रोटी खा रहा है. So it is continuous tense. In Hindi we will write everything raha, rahe, rahi as per the gender. So the sentence will be completely present continuous. First one, Ram roti खा रहा है. Ram is eating bread. Khana is eat. And here raha will come. That is eating. With the verb ing we add in English. Here we will add raha. Khana, kha is a verb and with that raha we are adding. Ram is eating bread. Roti is bread. राम रोटी खा रहा है. राम is eating bread. मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. I am going to school. वे काम कर रहे हैं. They are doing work. काम means work. कर means doing. वे काम कर रहे हैं. They are doing work. Second one, मैं स्कूल जा रहा हूँ. जाना is to go. So I am going to school is the second one. Third one, वे काम कर रहे हैं. They are doing work. Fourth one, तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? तुम means you, क्या means what, कर means to do. So doing will come. कर रहे हो is doing. What are you doing? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? Fifth one, सीता सो रही है. Sona is to sleep. So here so rahi. She is feminine gender. So rahi will come. So rahi hai. Sita so rahi hai. Sita is sleeping. So Sita so rahi hai. Sita is sleeping. तुम क्या सोच रहे? तुम क्या सोच रही हो? So it is feminine. Rahi ho. So what are you thinking? सोचना is to think. What are you thinking? वहाँ कौन गा रही है? वहाँ means there. गाना is to sing. गा रही है is feminine gender. कौन means who. So वहाँ कौन गा रही है? Who is singing there? वहाँ कौन गा रही है? Who is singing there? हम हिंदी सीख रहे हैं. सीखना is to learn. हम means we. है and dot. हैं are. That is हैं are. हिंदी is हिंदी. हम हिंदी सीख रहे हैं. We are learning Hindi. So we'll go to the exercises. Change the following sentences into present continuous tense. Imperfect continuous tense. Present continuous tense or imperfect continuous. Present continuous tense. Imperfect continuous tense. So first one, मैं रोटी खाता हूँ. मैं रोटी खाता हूँ. I eat bread. That is the meaning of the sentence. Now we have to make this sentence into present continuous tense. So खाता हूँ will become, it is a male gender खाता. So खा रहा will come. So present tense, present continuous tense, male gender is खा रहा. So the sentence will become मैं रोटी खा रहा हूँ. मैं रोटी खाता हूँ. In present continuous tense, the answer is मैं रोटी खा रहा हूँ. Second one, हम गेंद खेलते हैं. We play ball. Gain this ball. Khelte means play. We play ball. Answer for this second one is हम गेंद खेल रहे हैं. It's plural, so रहे will come. And खेल is the verb. हम गेंद खेल रहे हैं. हम गेंद खेल रहे हैं. That is the answer. हम क्वेश्चन इज हम गेंद खेलते हैं. आंसर इज हम गेंद खेल रहे हैं. थर्ड वन, वह घर जाता है. He goes to house. He goes to house. So we'll make this present continuous. Verb is जाता. So we'll make it जा रहा. वह घर जा रहा है. आंसर इज वह घर जा रहा है. क्वेश्चन इज वह घर जाता है. आंसर इज वह घर जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन, सीता कपड़े सीती है. सीता स्टिचेस क्लोथ्स. सो सीती इज feminine gender. So here सी रही will come. So the sentence will become सीता कपड़े सी रही है. सीता कपड़े सी रही है. That is the answer. Fifth question. माँ रोटी बनाती है. माँ रोटी बनाती है. So banana banati. So that we have to make it present continuous. So the answer is माँ रोटी बना रही है. That is with respect, है and dot. माँ रोटी बना रही है. That is the answer for the fifth one. Sixth one, तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? So करते हो. So कर is the verb. We have to make it present continuous. So the answer will be तुम क्या कर रहे हो. तुम क्या कर रहे हो. Question sixth question is तुम क्या करते हो. The answer for this is तुम क्या कर रहे हो. Seventh question, वे अखबार पढ़ते हैं. They are reading newspaper. They read newspaper. So we have to write the answer. पढ़ते will become पढ़ रहे. So complete sentence will be वे अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं. Seventh question, वे अखबार पढ़ते हैं. Answer is वे अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं. They read newspaper and answer is they are reading newspaper. So वे अखबार पढ़ रहे हैं. Eighth one, सरला दूध लाती है. लाना is the verb here. So and it is feminine. So ला रही will come. So answer is सरला दूध ला रही है. That is the answer for eighth one. Ninth one, वह औरत फल बेचती है. That woman sells fruit. So the answer will be that woman is selling fruit. So बेचना that will become बेच रही है will come since it is feminine. So answer is वह औरत फल बेच रही है. Ninth question, वह औरत फल बेचती है. Answer for that ninth question is वह औरत फल बेच रही है. 10th question, लड़कियां सबक याद करती हैं. Generally learns a lesson. So करना means कर रही है. Moral, सबक is moral we can say. तो लड़कियां सबक याद कर रही हैं. They are learning or memorizing the moral. of the lesson. That is sabak. लड़कियां सबक याद करती हैं is the question. So answer is लड़कियां सबक याद कर रही हैं. That is the answer. Now we will see the B part. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs in the present, imperfect or continuous tense.